Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate the area of a kite. It is a simple and elegant formula used in geometry. First, let's define what a kite is. In geometry, a kite is a four-sided shape, or quadrilateral. Its special feature is that it has two pairs of equal-length sides that are next to each other, just like the flying toy you might know. A crucial part of calculating the area involves the diagonals. A kite has two diagonals. One is usually longer than the other. The most important property is that they cross each other at exactly 90 degrees, forming a right angle. Here is the formula we use. The area equals 1/2 multiplied by diagonal₁ multiplied by diagonal₂. You can simply think of it as half the product of the diagonals. Why does this formula work? Let's break it down. If we cut the kite along the horizontal diagonal, we split the shape into two distinct triangles, a top triangle and a bottom triangle. Look at the top triangle. Its base is the horizontal diagonal, D1. Its height is the upper part of the vertical diagonal, let's call it H1. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now look at the bottom triangle. It shares the same base, D1. Its height is the lower part of the vertical diagonal, H2. Its area is also 1/2 base times height. To get the full area of the kite, we add the areas of these two triangles. When we combine the terms, we see that height 1 plus height 2 equals the full length of the second diagonal. This gives us our final formula, 1/2 D1 times D2. Let's try a quick example. Suppose we have a kite where the first diagonal is 10 centimeters and the second diagonal is 16 centimeters. We multiply 10 by 16 to get 160. Then, we take half of that. The result is 80 square centimeters. So remember this simple rule. Whenever you need to find the area of a kite, just measure the two diagonals, multiply them together, and divide the result by 2. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.